Grandpa said you will not go to church, Abi. As I'm going like this, me, I'm not sharing my blessing with anybody. Oh. Uncle Zafania, let's go to church now.
Takpo, abeg mind your business o. I no dey in a good mood like this, make I no go change am for you.
Uncle, what happened now? Did your landlord seize your pot of soup?
Which kind stupid question be that one now?
No, the way you are sitting now is like those orphan children that government demolished their orphanage home. Abi, your child joined court?
Which kind stupid question be that one again now?
No, nah. You know it's only in Lagos State now that parents will go to jail when their children join court. Me, I've never heard of that one before in my life. Oh.
Takpo, that one no be my problem, abeg. Can you imagine say I call Sulia, my girlfriend, yesterday, and she tell me say she dey come in the evening. It make me I even go borrow money, come cook food sef.
Oh.
And clean the house like this. Come even buy. No worry about that one sef.
Abomination, or is it abomi country that I will call it? You that don't used to clean your house, she has caused you to commit felony now.
No dey interrupt me o. If I dey talk like this, no dey interrupt me. No be wetin I mean be that one.
Don't vex you.
Wetin I dey talk be say after every like this, I don dey call am since that yesterday till now. She no dey gree answer my call.
So, uncle, that is why you are angry because you call your girlfriend and she's not picking. Uncle, come and go to church, Jare. You that Jesus Christ have been calling since you moved into this compound. Have you answered him?
Yeah! If I was you like this,
Apataman, let us go to church now.
Lini, I'm not going, Joe.
If you don't have transport, let's go now. Shame me, I'm using Legady's Benz like this.
Do you know I've not eaten since yesterday?
Uncle Apataman, this poverty will collapse your generation. You will have begged me for food now.
It's your ancestors that poverty will bury.
Don't vex you.
Tapo, I'm dying inside, man. It's killing me.
Uncle, have cancer of the intestine. Oh, somebody help.
It's you that have cancer of the anus. Nonsense. Is that girl that I've been chasing since now?
Oh.
I saw her with another man yesterday. Girl that I cherish. See the way the guy was treating her, so trivial.
So you are dying for a girl that is dying for a man that is dying for another person.
Yeah!
Dead people everywhere.
Yeah!